My name is Blojit and welcome to another quarantine video. And today I'm going to show you how I shoot and edit my B-roll on an iPhone. Alright, first is to go to your camera, and then I'm using a GoPro to record this, so therefore I'll be using only a tripod to show you how I shoot a B-roll. So just go to slow-mo. Okay, first is you have to lock the autofocus and auto exposure. So what you have to do is you have to long press on the screen where you want to focus, and that's how you long press, and then you can adjust your brightness, so right about there, and then it will lock. Even if you go far or near, it's going to lock. So for the reveal shot you have to go back and then just like that. So I'll record right now and then go close to the subject, and then the second shot is the sliding shot. So this is the slider shot. Okay, the next thing is for the top down shot. For the top down shot, it's you have to use the same technique. You have to long press on the screen to get that, to lock the autofocus and auto exposure, and then you go up and record, then you get this. So that's how you record your footage. So I want to get this, so I'll use the same technique. I'll record and then I'll go closer to the subject. So you have to decrease the brightness a bit. Do it again. There. So that's how we shoot the footage. Alright, to edit I use my iMovie, and you can create new project, and you can import the file or the video that you shoot. Right, once you have selected and once you have imported, you have to keep this at none, keep the transition at none, and then you have to but keep your volume entirely low. So do this for all the footage. Here what I'm doing is I'm trying to find the place where I want to cut the footage. So right about there, we can adjust it a little bit and we can cut it and remove the part which we don't need. So the footage look good. Let's go to the next footage. Here also we have to find the balance, and one thing is you have to decrease the volume of all the footage and reset the speed. Go to the speed section and reduce the speed. Just click reset, and also transition keep to none, so that I can start over with the editing. Here I'm trying to scrub through where do I want to land my footage. So you have to really find where do you want to keep your footage. Keep all the way to 8 times. So this footage look good, so I'll just cut it and delete the unwanted footage, and let's see how it look. It look nice. Still don't need that part, and then we go to the next. So we have to adjust the speed. Let's see how it goes again. So here we are doing a speed run. So we have to go to the speed section and add. So right about there I add one notch. So you have to zoom. If you want to zoom, you can pinch it out, and right about there I click add, and then go to the other section of footage and increase it to 2. So you can see the speed ramp right there. Let's go again. So there And then if the footage is too long, you can delete it. So look good now. Let's go to the next. So around here, then click add and go to the other section and keep it at 2, so that there will be a speed ramp. And then delete the unwanted footage, and even to this one footage, to the next footage, we do the same thing. We click add and go to the next section and keep it to 2 or 1, so it has that speed ramp effect. So delete the unwanted footage, and even on the last footage we'll do the same thing. But if it doesn't work out, then you can leave it as it is. Here look good. So that's how I did the footage. So here I'll be using the current filter from the iMovie itself. So I am using the Blockbuster. So it looks good. So as you can see, it has really come into the picture. So if you want to change, you can change other setting as well, or you can experiment with other filter. For example, you can go to maybe Western. There you can also have a good looking footage, but for me I really like the Blockbuster filter, so I'll be using the Blockbuster. And so to export your video, you have to click done and then click the share button on the middle and choose save video, and you can change your name of the project, the name of the video. So once you click save video, it will show the setting, and we usually choose at 720. So that's how your footage will get exported. Here is the result. Alright, that's how I edit the footage. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.